Now we'll move to brain teasers. First mean A. Tick the correct option. First question. Value of 625 to the power of minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2 is dash. So here to find this answer we need to apply the exponential law. That is a to the power of m to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m into n. That is 625 to the power of minus 1 by 2 into 2. These two get cancels. We'll get 625 to the power of minus 1, which is nothing but 1 divided by 625, which is nothing but a to the power of minus m is nothing but 1 by a to the power of m. So the final answer is 1 by 625. So in which option we have? First option. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now second question. If 5 to the power of x equal to 1, then value of x is dash. We know that 1 is nothing but a to the power of 0. So this 5 to the power of x equal to 1 can be written as 5 to the power of 0 because we know that a to the power of 0 equal to 1. So the base can be written anything. So here we have a base 5. So I'll take it 1 as 5 to the power of 0. Then bases are same. So equate the powers. Then x equal to 0. Which option? Third option. Now third question. Value of 27 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 64 to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power of 2 is dash. So here directly we cannot apply the exponential laws between these two exponents. So instead of that we need to simplify these exponentials. So 27 can be written as 3 cube into 1 by 3 because we have the index 3. So 27 is a perfect cube of 3. Plus here also we have index 3. So 64 is a perfect cube of 4. So 4 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of 2. So 3 and this 3 we get cancels. So 3 to the power of 1 plus 4 to the power of 1 is nothing but whole power 2. So 3 power 1 is nothing but 3. 4 power 1 is nothing but 4 to the power of 2. So 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7 square. 7 square is nothing but 49. So second option is the right option. Fourth question. For any two non-zero rational numbers a and b, a to the power of 0 divided by b to the power of 0 is equal to dash. So here we have exponential with same powers, different bases. So it's like a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is nothing but a divided by b to the power of m. That is, in place of m we have now 4. So a divided by b whole to the power of 4. But here we have 1. So this option is not correct. Here we have 0. This option is not correct. A divided by b whole to the power of 4. Yes, this option is correct. And looking into fourth option, power 4 we have, but in between we have a relation plus. So this is not the answer. So a divided by b whole to the power of 4 is the answer. That is third option. Now E. 4.25 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is equal to dash. So 4.25 into 10 to the power of minus 7 can be written as 1 by 10 to the power of 7 because we know that a to the power of minus m is nothing but 1 divided by a to the power of m. So 4.25 whole divided by 7 zeros. That is 10 million. So since we have 7 zeros in the denominator, the point will shift from right to left after 7 digits. But here we have 1 digit. So other 6 digits we have to make it as 0. So the answer is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, 4, 2, 5. So 0.6 zeros with 4 to 5. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, 4 to 5. Yes, third option is the right answer. So while marking the answers, along with verification, you need to write. So moving to B main, answer the following questions. Express 13 by 21 whole to the power of 2 by 5 as a radical. So first you note down the index. The index is 5. Therefore, it can be written as 13 divided by 21 to the power of 2 into 1 by 5, which is nothing but fifth root of 13 by 21 whole to the power of 2. So second question, find the value of 81 to the power of 3 by 4. So you need to find its value. So first you do the prime factorization of 81. 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. So which is nothing but 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4. So apply the exponential law. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m into n. So this 4 you will get cancels. Then 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. Now third question, simplify 5 into 16 to the power of 3 by 4. Again in the index we have 4 here. So 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 by 4. So by doing prime factorization, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 16 is nothing but 2 to the power of 4. And this 4 get cancels. 5 into 2 cube. First you remove the exponential form. 5 into 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8 5s are 40 is the answer. Next D question. Evaluate 0.00064 to the 64 whole to the power of 5 by 6. So first you express this in the form of rational. So 64 divided by 4, 5. So after decimal point we have 6 digits. So 6 zeros. So which is nothing but 10 lakh whole to the power of 5 by 6. So 64, if I do prime factorization, you'll get 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6. So because here we have index 6. So 2 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 5 by 6. So it's like a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is nothing but a divided by b whole to the power of m. 2 divided by 10 whole to the power of 6 into 5 by 6. This 6 get cancels. So 2 by 10 whole to the power of 5, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 5 by 10 to the power of 5, which is nothing but 32 divided by 1 followed by 5 zeros, which is nothing but 0.00032. Because we have 5 zeros here, 2 digits already there. So the point will shift from right to left after 5 digits. Since we have 2 digits, the other 3 digits you need to make it as 0. Therefore 0.00032. Now equation, solve for x if 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 27. So k to be taken here, the base is 3. But here we have 1 by 27. So express this 1 by 27 with the base 3. So 27 can be written as 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. That is 27 is nothing but 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 1 divided by 3 to the power of 3. We know that a to the power of m is nothing but, minus m is nothing but 1 by a to the power of m. That is, this 1 by a to the power of m is in the form of 1 by 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of x minus 1, this can be written as 3 to the power of minus 3, because 1 by a to the power of m is nothing but a to the power of minus m. So 3 to the power of minus 3. Now, since bases equal to mark we have, since bases are same, equate the powers. Write the sentence, bases are same, so equate the powers, which we have learnt in today's class, main number 7. So here the power of left hand side is x minus 1 and the power of right hand side is minus 3. So simplifying x equal to minus 3, this minus 1 goes to the either side, becomes plus 1. So x equal to minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2. So while you are solving each question, you need to give the verification. While taking down in the classwork, copy along with the verification, children. So remaining part we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.